When it comes to staying healthy and looking beautiful, 7-Day Healthcare are your #1 choice. Our doctor service is completely independent from the NHS, providing appointments 7 days a week with late appointments available. And with morning calls, we can also offer same-day appointments. We also provide high-quality dentistry. Our expert staff can provide tooth whitening and alignment, as well as dental implants with free consultations. If you are suffering from any bone, muscle or joint pain, or have a sport-related injury, why not come and visit our osteopath? We will get you back doing the sport you love quickly and safely. Here at 7-Day Healthcare, we offer a range of fantastic beauty treatments, all carried out by our expert staff, helping you to feel relaxed and rejuvenated. Other services include our laser clinic and foot care. 7-Day Healthcare. Come and visit us today.
When you're confident about your smile, it shows. Some treatments can take months or may damage enamel. Get your most radiant smile in record time with Philips Zoom. Our in-office treatment takes just one office visit, or whiten on your schedule with our take-home formulas Zoom Day White and Night White. No matter the option, your healthiest, whitest smile awaits. And because Zoom comes from your dentist, you know it's the healthiest option. Your most confident smile is waiting. Ask about Philips Zoom.
Mum's already had one done and she's feeling very moisturised, sexual,
young,
vibrant.
Amazing treatment. Feel very, very hydrated.
But yeah, and I'm about to get my treatment done, so I'm looking forward to seeing how it goes.
Yeah.
The reason why I'm having the Skin Breeze facial is because I want my skin to be glowy, and feeling fresh for the summer, and you know, it's got lots of benefits to it.
Okay, so we're doing the Skin Breeze treatment today, which is one of the more sort of entry-level skin treatments that I do. It's great if you just want to boost for your skin, if you want to get glow, if you want hydration. Okay, so I'm just starting off by cleansing the skin, just using a really nice soothing cleanser that's got some orange extract in, which smells yummy.
Does smell yummy.
Okay, so now the skin's nice and clean. Because of the way we do the treatments, I don't generally need to remove eye makeup or lipstick, which some people quite like because when they leave, they don't want to look completely naked. Because we've got a slightly stronger, younger skin this time, I'm actually going to use a very, very, very slightly more aggressive tip. So it's a medium tip instead of a fine tip, and it's basically, as we can see, it's almost like sandpaper, but it's very, very, very fine. We're not trying to rip into the skin, we're just trying to lightly buff off the dead skin that's on the surface. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm also going to switch on a red light and a blue light as well, which will also kind of irradiate out the end of the machine. So at the same time that I'm buffing the skin, we're also going to get the red and the blue light therapy shining onto the skin. Red light is very healing and soothing and regenerating. It helps to stimulate the collagen and elastin production. And the blue light, it helps with any bacteria on the skin.
That's really nice. There's no pain, just like a cheap massage.
So now that we've completely cleared the surface of the skin, I'm going to start doing the oxygen and serum infusion. So what I want is to get the serum nice and deep into the skin to hydrate it. So I'm going to go for a lightening and brightening serum this time, just because we want radiance. I'm just placing the serum at the moment onto the forehead, and then I'm going to do the treatment, and then I'll do each side of the face. And we basically want to work over the surface of the skin while the serum is still on the top and still quite moist, so we can glide over really nicely. So this is our oxygen infusion handpiece, and basically little bursts of oxygen just come out the end here. We move over the areas where we put the serum, and we're going to pump the serum into the skin.
It's a weird sensation, but I like it.
So we've got 2 steps left. The main one is the hydro mask. So this mask goes on, it feels like someone has just put a jellyfish on your face, so it's quite slimy, but it actually feels really, really lovely after all the other things that you've had done. It's very cooling, very soothing, and as the mask says, hydro, it's very, very hydrating. But as an added extra bonus while the mask is on, and one of the reasons that it's clear, is I'm actually now going to go over the top of the mask just with the massaging tip on the first hand piece that we had. Okay, so we're just lifting the mask off now, and underneath you can see the skin is looking much more hydrated. It's feeling much smoother. We're going to do one last final step, which is quite quick, but again just adds to the sealing in of all the ingredients and a finishing touch for the treatment today. So I'm actually going to use a little spray gun that's going to spray out a fine mist of really cool air and some serum. And the serum that I'm going to use is just a calming and soothing one.
I must admit, even for one so young, I didn't think I'd see much of a difference because she's young, but actually I can see a difference. Yeah, I really can. All here, all along there, it looked a bit sort of dry and tired before, that's all come back to life.
Really?
So I think it's all good news. Look at
Just
yourself.
take a little look. I've obviously got the SPF on, which has got a little bit of a tint in. Just you can see the skin's looking nice and plump.
Thank you so much, Debbie. My skin feels so much better, and I'm looking forward to seeing the results tomorrow as well, because it makes it look better tomorrow.
Yeah, it should look even brighter and fresher tomorrow for you. Both.
Yeah, I'm happy with that. You're looking so, it looks good.
Thanks, Mummy. You don't look too bad yourself.
Thank you, Dan. Right.
Alright, thank you very much, guys, for watching. We'll see you soon.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Philips Sonicare toothbrushes clean teeth in a way a manual toothbrush cannot. Their patented sonic technology uses high frequency and amplitude to generate a unique brushing action. The unique bristle tip activity has a velocity of over 30,000 strokes per minute, which results in thorough plaque biofilm disruption. And the brush sweeps back and forth, allowing you to clean even hard-to-reach areas. The dynamic cleaning action forces fluid deep into areas in between the teeth and along the gum line. Foamy liquid is directed around and between teeth and along the gum line where plaque bacteria flourish. First, let's explain how to use the automatic quad pacer timer. Just move to the next section of your mouth after you hear a pause every 30 seconds. The brush stops automatically after the recommended 2 minutes of brushing. Now apply toothpaste to the brush head. Wet the brush head and turn the brush on when it is in your mouth. Angle the brush along the gum line at about 45 degrees. Now gently glide and guide the brush along the gum line using only light pressure from your fingertips. Slowly move the brush from tooth to tooth. While moving, the longer bristles effectively clean in between the teeth. Now move the brush head slowly along the inner surfaces of all your teeth. Spend extra time on the inner surfaces of your lower front teeth, as this is where calculus can build up. Cleaning the biting surfaces is even easier. Just slowly move across them and let the Sonicare toothbrush do its job. With a Sonicare toothbrush, it is easy to reach the surfaces of your back teeth. To make this even easier, you can also use the compact brush head. As soon as you hear a pause, move to the next section of your mouth. For the best cleaning results, make sure you change your brush head every 3 months. And to remove even more plaque biofilm from in between your teeth, use the Philips Sonicare Air Floss. If you have any questions about brushing with a Philips Sonicare toothbrush, please ask your dental professional.